Hey guys, so I finally ordered from Club Factory. So many of you have been asking me about trying out Club Factory and doing a haul. So finally here we are. And I didn't order a lot of stuff. I wanted to just experience the website and the whole thing because I was ordering for the first time. But a couple of things and a bunch of different things, like few things for decor, few fashion, few accessory stuff. So a mix of everything. So I placed my order on 19th Jan and I got it like day before. So I got it in around like 10-11 days, which was pretty good because the estimated delivery date was Feb 6. So I got it pretty early comparatively. The shipping was free about 2500 I guess. So my order was a little about 2500, so I got free shipping. And yeah, they also have an option to pay through Paytm, which is really good, and that was like pretty convenient. And I have seen mixed reviews where people have mentioned that they have got some broken items and the pictures shown were something different and what they received was totally different. So I have not opened my order yet. I'll just, yeah, this is the package and I'll just open this with you all right now and let's hope everything is fine. I'll just quickly open this. Let's start with the bulkiest item, that is these shoes. They have slightly bent during shipping, but these are like simple black brown boots with these double buckle detailing and a chain behind. I sized up a bit and I got one size up and these fit perfectly, so thankfully I sized up. And looking at the style and design, I knew they might be a little tight if I don't size up. So yeah, these are absolutely perfect in size. I just tried them and these are like pretty simple basic shoes and these are exactly what I ordered, so there's no change there. Also, I'll mention all the prices here and also in the info box below. I'll mention the whole name of the item and the prices in the info box. Since this is an app and there are no direct links, you can find out the product using the exact name on the app, so I'll mention all of the details in the info box below. Next thing I got is a black belt, a basic black thick belt with this round buckle detailing. Now I have a lot of thinner belts. I wanted something thicker and it's perfect to wear with your jeans if you tuck in your shirt or t-shirt. So yeah, it's a pretty regular belt. Now this was, I think, around 275 or something. So this was a little expensive because you get such belts at 150, 200 at Colaba Causeway or Linking Road or anywhere. So yeah, this was slightly expensive for the price, but yeah, nonetheless. Then I got two lights. Now these are star shaped ones and these are small rice flake lights. I expect these to be a little bigger, so these are like very tiny, exactly the size of a rice grain, and they come with these circled cells. Now these cells are very difficult to find, so I don't know how will I manage once the cells go off, but let me just switch it on. So yeah, they look really pretty. I think I'll use them for my background and yeah, they're quite nice and I can even use them for pictures in my flat lays or something for Instagram. Rice grain lights were 255 and the star shaped lights were 275. Now considering the size of the rice grain lights, they are a little expensive because these are like so tiny and these ones are like a little bigger. Now these ones now these ones will need 3 bigger batteries, which I don't have right now, or else I would have shown them to you. But I will insert batteries and show you guys on my Insta stories or something. I really like the star shape of it. Even these will look pretty good in the background and in pictures and all. And I even saw round ball ones, which are also quite in these days. So yeah, I hope these lights work fine, because usually what happens with such fairy lights is you buy them pretty cheap for like 50-60 bucks and then after few uses they just don't work, they stop working. So I hope these work fine for some time at least. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying out the lights. Now the next thing I got are two caps. Like one is this baker's hat or a painter's hat, as they say. Yeah, let me just show it to you. So this is how it looks. I really love the color and I love how it looks. It's pretty cute, isn't it? I love this hat. Now both these beanie and the cap were a little expensive, but it's difficult to find these usually. I'm not sure if you get these on the roads in markets such as Linking Road or Sarojini and all. I haven't heard about getting these caps there, but if you find them at Zara, Forever 21 and all, they are usually 800,000 and above. So I think this was around 400 and the beanie was around 350. So a little expensive compared to what you would pay if you would find something like that by the road. But then yeah, you don't find them really easily. So next is this super cute pom-pom beanie. Now the pom-pom is like a little misshaped or bent because of the shipping or whatever. It has lost a bit of its shape. I hope I can fix it, but the beanie is like really cute. It's like super cute. I love the royal blue color, and yeah, I really like it. Both the beanie and cap are like really nice and cute. But final things I got are accessories. So first up, I got this cute dainty layered necklace. So it's all jumbled up right now. I'll have to like detangle it. It's like a plain chain over here, and then this pearl string line kind of thing, and then you have this plain circle kind of thing. I'll just insert a picture right here. I got this blue tassel earrings, royal blue earrings. They are like pretty good, and I think these were priced around 69. Yeah, such earrings were between 69 and 99 range. So this is what you would pay even on the roadside. So these were like okay. So some glue is popping out of this. So the quality is like okay. But then yeah, you get what you pay for. So I'm not complaining. So yeah, these are like pretty cute too. And finally, the last pair of earrings are these white stone ones with layered tassel. Now these are like statement piece. These are like huge, pretty huge, and the stones are like all the shades of white, and they were available in a different bunch of colors, even multicolored and blue and stuff. And so I went for all white because I wanted white earrings. And then there are like 3 smaller tassels below. So these are like huge and statementy, as you can see. So these are not for like everyday stuff, but yeah, when you don't have any other accessories and you want just one statement piece, then these are like pretty good. Oh yeah guys, that was it, and that was all the stuff I got from Club Factory. Overall I had a pretty good experience. I got whatever products I had ordered and they were as per the details mentioned on the app, and I'm really happy with my order, and I will definitely order more again. Only thing is I did find a few things overpriced, so I think you have to browse and find good stuff, but then the app user interface is okay. The app is not like very user friendly because once you start finding one item, you get similar products or the same products with different price ranges in your suggestions. So it's like a little weird. So the price keeps on fluctuating every minute or every like 2-3 minutes. So that is something which you have to be careful of. So yeah guys, that was it. Let me know your favorite item in the comments down below. And also if you have shopped from Club Factory, let me know about your experience in the comments down below. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, I have a giveaway going on, so do participate. I'll link it somewhere here or here, and all the details will be mentioned in the info box, so don't worry. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.